Welcome to Mom's Recycling Corner, a little creative space by a mother of two. I'm just an ordinary stay-at-home mom, not tech-savvy, not a great speaker, and without any remarkable skills. There were times when I doubted myself, wondering if I was truly bringing value to my family and to life. But then I found joy and healing through recycling. Picking up old discarded items, cutting, gluing, fixing them up, little by little, I started to rediscover myself. This channel was born from that passion. I want to share simple recycling ideas, turning what seems like trash into useful and beautiful creations. It's not just a creative journey, but also a personal one, learning to love myself, live more frugally, and teach my children to be responsible and mindful of the environment. My creations may not be perfect, but each piece holds my effort and heart. If you also love creativity and want to live more mindfully and sustainably, please support Mom's Recycling Corner with a like, a share, or a follow. Thank you so much for stopping by.